all on the good morning, day and night, four seasons, stars, planets, and satellites, and the atmosphere, galaxy, and the universe came from the gravity of the earth. And that's it. Wow. This is Chef Saddam Al-Amda. Shout out, Chef. Hi, Blue Pit. Gulat na gulat ka, Blue Pit. Follow mo ko, Chito. Puntahan mo ko sa Facebook. International Chef, International Cuisine. Ito na naman, may pagkain na naman ako nakikita. How are you guys and girls? Wala na yung girls, lumabas na sila. Parang may pumasok kaninang girls dito. Lumabas. Di ba graduate ka ma'am ng nursing? Ano sa man, graduate pa akong nursing. O graduate pa ko, di na ako magkapoy-kapoy ang YouTube. Sabi na kasama ko, ganda mo. Sabi ko, inborn niya, yan si host. Inborn. Kalasing na yan, kasama mo, Ibon. Bukas pag hindi na siya lasing, tanongin mo ulit. Takita mo ulit yung video ko. Magkasabihin niya. Siya ba yung kagabi? Parang iba tayo nakita ko kagabi Siya ba yan? Bay, makainom nga ulit. Makasabihin niya, bay, inom nga ulit tayo. Charot. Palud ate. Sorry. Sarado na yung tindahan ko, Lita. Undoy. Sarado na yung tindahan ko. Possible Saddam Skin. Shout out to Chef Saddam Al-Amda. Oh, 11.5k subscribers. Hi, Chef. From Morocco. Chef. Jason Brown. Hi. Video lang, nakikinig lang ako. Ano gawa mo, Blue Pit? Anong ginagawa mo? Ba't nakikinig ka? Anong ginagawa mo? Pumasok sa mata ko ba? Palo, dati please. Bukas na ulit sarado na yung tindahan ko. Ibu, lasing ka na, no? I'm from Algeria and now I live in Morocco. Yeah, shout out Morocco from Philippines. From Nashville. Jason Brown. Nashville, Tennessee. Shout out. Welcome to Morocco or Algeria. Welcome to my life, Chef. Welcome to my life. I'm very happy with you. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Grabe yung comment niya, oh. Ako dumikit. How is the weather in the Philippines? Oh, the weather here is like me. You can't understand even if you're not understanding. I got new video. Hi, Mr. Strawberry. Can I order one? Order of what? I want to request a new snail video. I hope you can upload your phone. Paula gini. Paula gini mag. Why did you take English, Ivy? Wala lang good ta English, I know.